If you're dealing with a finicky Braeburn thermostat, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to reset a Braeburn thermostat, a common solution for many issues, from a blank screen to system glitches. This isn't just about turning it off and on. We'll cover the right way to get your Braeburn back on track, whether it's a simple soft reset or a full factory reset. Let's get started. Understanding why your Braeburn thermostat needs a reset first. Why would you even need to reset your Braeburn thermostat? Well, just like any smart home device or electronic lock, thermostats can sometimes encounter software glitches, display errors, or simply stop responding as they should. Maybe your heat isn't turning on, the display is frozen, or you're experiencing incorrect temperature readings. A proper reset can often clear these issues and restore normal functionality without needing a service call. We're talking about giving your Braeburn thermostat a fresh start. Method 1. The soft reset, power cycle. Let's start with the easiest and often most effective method, the soft reset, or what we call a power cycle. This is great for minor glitches, or if your Braeburn thermostat screen is blank or unresponsive. Locate your circuit breaker. The most crucial first step is to cut power to your entire HVAC system. Go to your home's main electrical panel and find the breaker labeled for your furnace or air conditioner. Turn off the power, flip that breaker to the off position. This completely removes power from your thermostat and the connected HVAC unit. Wait for 5 minutes. This waiting period is critical. It allows any residual charge in the system to dissipate. Grab a coffee, check your phone. Just make sure you wait the full 5 minutes. Restore power. Flip the circuit breaker back to the on position. Check your thermostat. Your Braeburn thermostat should now power back up. Look for the display to light up and check if it's responding normally. This simple step often resolves many common Braeburn thermostat problems. Method 2. Factory reset, for persistent issues or new installation. If a soft reset didn't do the trick, or if you're installing a used thermostat, you might need a factory reset for your Braeburn thermostat. This will erase all your custom settings and return it to its default, out-of-the-box configuration. Keep in mind, you'll need to reprogram it afterward. The exact steps can vary slightly, depending on your specific Braeburn model. But here's a common procedure. Access the installer menu. Many Braeburn models require you to hold down a combination of buttons to enter the installer or setup menu. Often, it's holding down the mode button and the fan button simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds, or sometimes the next and hold buttons. Refer to your Braeburn thermostat manual if you're unsure, or look for a small hole on the unit that may require a paperclip to press a recessed reset button. Navigate to Reset option. Once in the installer menu, you'll typically use the up-down arrows to scroll through options until you find something like Reset. Factory defaults, or load defaults. Confirm reset. Select the reset option and confirm your choice. The screen might flash or restart. Reprogram your thermostat. After a factory reset, your Braeburn thermostat will be in its default state. You'll need to go through the initial setup process again, setting the time, date, temperature preferences, and programming your desired heating and cooling schedules. This is crucial for efficient operation. Special tips and FAQs for Braeburn thermostats. Here are a few extra tips and answers to common questions about your Braeburn thermostat. My Braeburn thermostat screen is blank after a reset. First, double-check your circuit breaker. If it's on, check the batteries, if your model uses them. Even hardwired thermostats often have battery backup, and dead batteries can cause display issues. Look for a low battery indicator before it goes completely blank. Ensure the thermostat is seated correctly on its base plate. Loose connections can interrupt power. How do I know which Braeburn model I have? Braeburn. The model number is usually on the back of the thermostat faceplate when you remove it from the wall, or sometimes printed on the front. Knowing your model helps when consulting the manual for specific reset instructions. Will resetting erase my schedule? A soft reset, power cycle, typically will not erase your schedule. A factory reset will erase all schedules and custom settings, returning it to defaults. Always consult your manual. While these steps are general, Your specific Braeburn Thermostat manual is your best friend for precise instructions, especially for entering the installer menu. A quick search online for your Braeburn model number manual will usually get you what you need. And there you have it. Whether you're troubleshooting a minor glitch or setting up a new unit, knowing how to reset your Braeburn thermostat is an essential skill for any homeowner. A successful reset can save you time and money by avoiding unnecessary service calls. If this video helped you get your Braeburn back in working order, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips, electronic lock reviews, and thermostat guides for brands like Honeywell, LuxPro, and more. And if you have any questions or faced a specific issue with your Braeburn, leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.